Hey everybody, welcome to Homer's Honeybee. We're going to do some videos starting with the package, how to install, and just kind of through the year just kind of do some updates as the hive progresses. We have our package here with our queen. We have our single box setup. Just to get started here, this is a hive that has been used before, and so we have some old honey frames. If you have honey frames and you want to use them, we would just say put them on towards the outside of the boxes. You can put 1 or 2 frames on the outside, and we'll fill the empty frames here in the middle after we put the bees in. If you don't have any honey frames, that's okay too. We'll just start new. There's nothing wrong with that. They'll be just fine as long as we get them fed and they can build out the comb. So let's get started here. First, I just want to make sure the queen's alive, she's well. So I got my bees, and I'm actually gonna, after thinking about it, I'm gonna take these outside frames out first. Put a couple of these frames in. Now I'm going to dump the bees here on the side so I have room right here so I can put my queen. I'll do that now. When you're doing this, just make sure when you take the cork out that the queen is either on this side or walking opposite of the hole so she doesn't come flying out on you. And then again, when she's facing the other direction, release and put your plug in. And just set her there so she's ready to go. Just gonna pinch her between the frames. So when you dump the bees in, they're gonna be going right to her. So with the bees, I'm gonna give them a little spray of sugar water. Take a lot, we don't want to drown them. Just enough to keep them from flying too much. We're just going to kind of dump them. I'm not going to be able to get all the bees out, so I'm going to leave those bees in the front. It's morning, so these girls are not liking me. Okay. And I'm just going to put this next frame in. I'm not going to be able to fit this last frame just because that queen's in there. And ideally, it'd probably be better to fill up the syrup before I even start, so it's all ready to go. Just a 1-to-1 ratio. We're all set. I'm going to come back in 3 days to make sure the queen got out, and then check on them 5 days later. Also, I want to reduce this entrance to the small opening. They're small hives, so we need to be able to have an entrance they can defend, and as they grow bigger we can open it up a little bit. These bees in here, they'll come out and they'll smell the hive and they'll fly into there by the end of the day. Other than that, that's it as far as our first install here with this hive, and we'll continue throughout the year watching them progress, so follow along.